All right, here we have a 2015 CRF450. I'm going to go through the list of modifications, but the big thing we wanted to show you was the Rekluse clutch, which basically makes it nearly impossible to stall the bike out. So this bike does have a different cam, different piston, different exhaust system, and it is fuel injected, and the computer has been reprogrammed to work with all those mods. So if you come over here and look, you can see the larger clutch cover. That's for the Rekluse system. You can also see the Yoshimura exhaust system. It is a dual setup like the factory. And it also has the Motion Pro clutch cable setup, which makes the clutch action a whole lot smoother. So we're going to take it outside and fire it up and show you how that Rekluse system works. Alright, so here we're going to show you how the Rekluse clutch works. Can you come around to the other side, Ben? See, my hand is off the clutch, and I'm going to put it in gear. And it will not stall out. When you rev the bike up, it goes. This makes a bike like this a whole lot more capable in the trails. It doesn't want to flame out with this setup. You still have to shift it like normal, but you can even start out in second gear if you want. So, right now we're in second gear. I'll do a second gear takeoff.
This is the second time he saw the Rekluse system in the filming of this video. I don't know where he went. This bike's going to be shown a lot more on the channel as he will be riding with me in the DRZ a lot more. But normally he rides with a helmet.